I've been wanting to get out of town for a while now. Just wanting to get out, get into somewhere like with a little bit more nature. You know, doing the everyday commute thing on the train. If you don't know, I commute a ton on a train every day. Trains and buses and all of that to get to work. And it just gets tiresome. So I wanted to get out of town. I jumped on a flight, headed out to Reno. My buddy Steve lives here. So I am so excited just to get in the river today. We're gonna go in the Truckee River. We're gonna go in an inflatable kayak that he has and just charge down the little rapids that they have. So let's go kayaking. Action shot.
Don't mess with me. I wasn't filming. Do this, do that. Go that way. Keep us safe. Why, we're sideways. I didn't lift enough.